to
This
create all.
conference will now be recorded.
Correct. The data has to be saved in the database. So you have to create an object. The page, Visualforce, that page will be created, will be an external page. External page. This is an external page.
Okay, done. Okay.
On that, lot of program are there. On that page, if somebody clicks on help on this page, where will you, can you see there's a help? Where
Yes.
you'll, if somebody clicks on it, it will say page cannot be displayed, on page not found. That is the reason starting, see contact us, starting
Homepage.
about us page, this pages, this is the first pages we'll create. These two pages we'll create. Then we will come here and then we will link this help, right? We will start linking to these pages, right? Login page, right? So username. After the login page, that page has to come. Remember that. Login page. Login page. This login page I kept is optional. Okay, guys, if you don't cannot do it, leave it. Reset password page, leave it. Right? So many pages are there.
Could
Now
you
the big
explain the fields and fields type in table?
no, there's nothing that I'll not explain. You are not a small kid now that I have to say
No,
what is a field type.
talking about validation.
It's clearly written there what validation has to be done. Phone number, validation number.
The name of the distribution, and we are not able to create the validation for the fourth field.
What is the fourth field I gave you?
Name of the distribution. You're
Name of
given some
distributor.
validation, last name and first name.
Where is that? Fourth field. Yeah.
Yes. Name of the distribution formula.
Right. I didn't give any validation, no? Right. Name of the distributor, right? System should automatically take last name hyphen first name. That's it. You have to create a formula field.
Formula type, we can take text also, sir.
I didn't understood.
Text. Name of the distribution have to take formula or field.
Name of the distributor, right? See, okay. Okay, right. What is this? Name of the distributor. It's a formula, right? First name, last name. It's saying it's a formula, right? Last name hyphen first name, right? Dash first name. That means it's system generated. Whatever the last name they enter, right? Their system, why it's here? 1 minute. Let me check it out. Which field page is this? Distributor page, right?
Yes, sir.
Okay. No, it's a text then. Sorry. Text only. Correct. It's not a formula. It's a text. Name of the distributor is a text.
Okay, fine.
It's a wrong copy paste because I told you, I have to copy from the real time. So no validation. Right? Any other thing? Good catch. That's good. Anywhere. Any other thing?
Yeah. One more thing, sir. Product details. These all are fields under single form or different. This is a
single form.
Yeah,
In the single form, one more section.
One more section.
You create a section or a tab, your wish.
Okay.
Product details, one tab, right? Basic details, one tab, right? Order details, one more tab or one more section. End customer details, one more section or one more tab, right?
One more register. What is the difference between registration and main enrollment form, sir?
Right. Registration is nothing but there are two things. We have given two things. What is registration? Whenever you want to register a bid, that is for bid registration. Enrollment is nothing but I want to do this bid registration for Government of Telangana State Ministry of Tourism, right? For such case, right, Government of Telangana State Ministry of Tourism is not there in the system. So you have to enroll those. Enrollment form is used for distributor to enroll. With me what I'm saying? No? Understood or not?
One more thing, a request also is there. A request form also similar to.
Wait. Who will request the bid? Who will request the bid? Distributor.
Distributor
Where is the distributor?
outside.
Where is the distributor? Outside. No, in my system, there's a distributor Ravitech. I have to maintain Ravitech. Ravi Technology is the distributor name. Ravi Technology India Private Limited is the distributor. I have to maintain all those distributor information in my system.
Yeah, when we are tied up with the distributors, I mean,
Distributor. So that's the
yes,
reason I require a distributor enrollment form
yes,
to
obvious.
create a new distributor. So that is the enrollment form. Once the
Enrollment.
distributor is enrolled,
Okay.
right? Once the distributor is enrolled, then they can register a bid. Without an enrollment, some unknown person registering, unknown distributor registering a bid in my system, will I allow? No. Getting it what I'm saying?
Yes, sir.
So that is the reason we have a registration. That means enrollment is required before we start. Before they start registering the bid registration is open only to enrolled distributors. Only to enrolled distributors.
But compare with registration form, enrollment fields are very less, sir. I mean, I think you can go
Let me
through.
check it out. Let me check it out. Bid registration.
I
Let
think
me scroll.
registration form that particular used for the.
This is a bid registration, right? Bid registration is done. 1 minute. Let us check one by one. Bid registration is done. What is this? I'm scrolling down. Order form. Okay, that's for ordering. Order details. Okay. End customer form. This is to register end customer. This is to register end customer. End customer form.
For
I
tie
want
up
to
with
sell.
the.
No, it's not the matter of tie up, right? Distributor has found a customer called CMR Education Society. They will first register CMR details with us. Source from where they got it, start date, right? Street, address, company name. Here they will give, right? CMR Education Society, right? All these, right? Customer, whenever a customer is ordering or something, new customer order form, it will come from here, right? End customers, okay? End customers. We need all the data in the system before we proceed with a bid registration. We need to have an order for that order form. Distributor is ordering, right? Order form. Distributor is ordering. Distributor name, what type of product type, what is the product name, how much is the quantity, where is the city, right? This is the original order form, which is there in your system, but we are already creating it. Order form, right? Once the order is there, if right against that order only, he can go ahead and he can come for a bid registration. He can come and request for a new bid request form, right? That is the bid request form. Here it is, bid request form. Screen is scrolling fast, I know that. Bid request form. He can request a bid, right? Bid request form, right? Scrolling up, right? This is to capture, right, all the details of the bid registration, right? Capturing all the details. Scrolling up, right? Here it is, the new dealer enrollment form. Who is the dealer, right? What is this? This form is nothing but a distributor can have a dealer. Dealer identified the opportunity. The distributor has to register that dealer with us. So type the sub dealer, the type I have given you in that documentation, type will be there. Type of dealer, right?
No,
Industry,
without
branch, right?
pick list.
Pick list type. So everything. So this is the complete, right? Dealer registration. I mean, this is something like dealer or partner registration form. If you remember the class project diagrams, right? ABC is selling to a distributor. Distributor is selling to a retailer or a wholesaler or a dealer. We call them as partner. Partner is selling to a customer. This is a partner registration form. Dealer registration, distributor registration form, dealer registration form. Distributor are my customers. They are the people with whom I'm directly dealing. In turn, distributor is dealing with some retailer, wholesaler, their partner. That also we want to register, with whom we want everything should be disclosed to us. They'll say, yes, I'm working with, I'm a big distributor, right, called CloudTrail, right, who is buying the product directly from ABC. Later, I have another 20 small partners whom I'm supplying the system. They are selling it to the end customer. How many people are involved now? Total 3. Government of Telangana State, Ministry of Tourism is the end customer. Ravi Infotech Private Limited is a partner. CloudTrail is a distributor. And ABC is the seller. ABC is the laptop manufacturing company selling it to CloudTrail customer. He is in turn selling it to a dealer. Who is the dealer? Dealer is Ravi Technology. Finally, the product will be used by whom? Telangana State, Ministry of Tourism. 3. That's the reason you'll see these forms. One say customer enrollment form, one will say dealer enrollment form, right? Like this you'll see. These forms will be seen here, right? Because finally, who is using? The government of Telangana State. In between, there are 2 people. I want to register those also here. That is the reason you will be able to see these forms. Understood? Yes or no?
Yeah, little bit. Okay, sir.
Right? So try to create 3 forms first. Try
Sir,
to create 3 object. One object, I'll tell it openly. Try to create 3 objects first. First object, distributor object. Second object, right? You call it distributor, you call it customer, your wish. But backend name, give distributor. First, create a distributor table. Next, create one more table called as partner table. Create one more table called as end customer table. End customer table. For these 3 tables, create an entry form. Right? Create entry form. Create entry form. First, distributor. Distributor can, right? Distributor can have end partners. So that is what the partners. You have to link the way one account can have multiple contacts. The same thing. One distributor can have multiple partners or dealers. One distributor can have multiple partners or dealers. Right? Customer is individual. Anybody can, right? It's not that to CMR, right? Only Ravi Technologies has to sell. Ravi Technology is a partner of whom? CloudTrail. CloudTrail is buying, right? Paint, right? Let's show it. What are the tables to be created, right? Let's put it in the diagram only. First, this is the right ABC. What happened? Where are my all these are gone? Okay, pin, right? This is your ABC. 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 Now, what are the objects to be created? First is the distributor object, a distributor form. Distributor table has to be created. You have to create a distributor table. You have to create a distributor table in the database. In the database, all the distributor information has to go to this table. This is a distributor table, distributor form. Right? External, internal, don't think now. That is the last step in a project is external, internal. It's a distributor. Here I should have a distributor registration. All distributor name, phone, fax, city, right? Type of distributor, annual turnover, SIC code, right? Whenever you're registering an organization, whatever the fields you want, you'll have it here. Distributor. Then a distributor can have multiple partners. That is also another table. That is also, it has to go to another table. 2 objects for the moment. It has to go here. What is this? Partner. Remember that one distributor called as CloudTrail. CloudTrail is a distributor. CloudTrail can have multiple partners. They have 10 partners. CloudTrail can have, that means this is a partner registration form, right? Partner registration form. They are exclusive partners. They deal only with CloudTrail, right? ABC sells a laptop to CloudTrail. CloudTrail in turn sells a laptop to these 3 or 4. That means linked. Finally, customer. This is the final customer. End customer, I'll say. End customer. Here, CMR education, CMR college, right? CMR college, right? So all those names, right? AB, CMR college, then what? HDFC Bank, ICICI Bank. Is it any guarantee that ICICI Bank has to buy only from Ravi Technology? Ravi Tech? There could be more there called as, right? SO, Solution Infotech, Sol Infotech, right? Here, right? I will say Mark Infotech, Info Solution. All these are CloudTrail. How many distributors are there? I can have more than one distributors, right? I can have one more distributor here. All those distributors are saved in this table. Each distributor can have multiple partners. So another distributor, what is that? Rupam Info Solution PVT Ltd, right? Now again, I also have two partners or two dealers, 3 dealers, 4 dealers, 5 dealers, 6 dealers. I can have n number of dealers. This end customer can buy from Ravi Tech, can buy from another distributor also. He can buy from, right, MNO Solution, MNO Sol. The end customer is not linked to this partner and these things, right? So now they can sell, right? So this is the partner, right? So one object, two object, third object. You should have 3 objects. Between 1 and 2, there is a what type of relationship you can create, right? Don't create master details. You can have lookup relationship, lookup, where distributor is the parent,
Partner
and
is it?
partner or whatever you call it, partner or retailer is a child. Next, here also I have to get the customer, right? This is what form? Control Z, right? For the moment I'm partner. Okay, 1 minute. Now you should have an order form. Next table, you have to create order data, order. In the order, from the customer information has to come. From partner information has to come. Who is raising the order? Ravi Tech is raising order. Who is the customer? Here is the customer. From customer table it has to come. Another object. I'm giving you the object diagrams. This is from a customer, data has to come here. From a customer, data has to come here, right? Here, all the partner details, it has to come here. Who is the partner? In this order, you should show partner name, you should show distributor name. Distributor is CloudTrail, partner is Ravi Tech, end customer is CMR Education Society, right? Then you have to get the product information. It has to come from product table. All the square boxes are table object. Already in Salesforce, there's a product table is there. You can use it, or you want to create a new one, create a new one. That information also has to become. In the product itself, if you're maintaining price, then fine. This is at the time of initial order, guys. If you have not, then price book also has to be there. Everybody is able to understand price book. Price book. Where to start? Start from here then. I can start from this. These are the projects. Project can be start from any corner, right? We can start with a login page. Now you see that I'm not starting with a login page, because login page work I gave it to someone else. Some other team in Bangalore is doing. By the time I complete this, the login page also will be completed. This is how the project runs in real time. You see that my screens are not arranged. Again, I'm coming showing login page, then registration page, because this is a multiple team working on the project. Multiple piece. Login page is not developed by Hyderabad team, it is developed by Bangalore team. That's the reason suddenly you see that login page coming up then, right? Now, Hyderabad team, you are on a Hyderabad team. I'm starting with this. Create a table called distributor. Create a table called partner. Link the distributor to partner. Create a table called order. Link partner to the order. In the order, information is flowing from these tables, from customer table, customer name, phone, fax, email address, location coming up. Product table, what is the product quantity? If you have price in the product result, then price book is not required, or price book of that product. That means again, product has to be linked to price book. Then only you'll get the required price. So if you don't, then this piece you can remove it. Price, you can maintain the price in the product. Create a custom table called as product. There only you maintain price, you maintain everything. You maintain everything in that table itself, right? Don't use price book if you think that it's getting too complex. Now, along with that, order number has to be generated. It's not coming from anywhere. That is the power. That is the field in order table itself. Order number, order date, right? Order by is nothing but Ravi Technology has to come. Who is ordering? As soon as I select Ravi Technology, automatically all the Ravi Technology information should be populated. Formula fields, right? From Ravi Technology, who contact details, right? Partners can have contacts. Each partner, Ravi Technology, that means I can have one more table. Partner contacts. There are 6 people in Ravi Technologies. All those informations I'll maintain here. That also will go here. Okay, from Ravi Technology, who is calling? Mr. Satya. Oh, he's the marketing manager, right? Okay, he wants to place order. Okay, not a problem. Let him. So these are partner contacts. One partner can have n contacts. Again, there's a lookup relationship. Here also lookup. Everywhere lookup. Control C, Control V. Here also lookup. Here also lookup. Right? One partner can have partner name Ravi Technology. Partner can have multiple contacts. Right? Mr. Rupam, CEO. Mr. Raj, finance officer. Right? I have 7 to 8 important contacts under Ravi. Same as Solution Technology. Solution Infotech have 5 people. Mark Info Solution Technology has 3 people registered. Question, whenever somebody is raising an order, who is raising the order? As soon as you select Mark automatically should show Solution Infotech. Automatically should pull CloudTrail in the order. Then it will give an option to select the product. Select the product. Automatically the order number has to be generated. All this done in the order table. Order is done. Order is done. Order is done. This is one piece. This is one piece. This is what you'll be doing. First piece of the project. One piece, one team will do this. One team will do this. Teamwork. In Rupam's team, Rupam team has been given this task to do this whole work, right? Creating of this form, I'll give it to one person. Creating of this form, a distributor form, I'll give to another person, right? Order form, another person, right? Customer form, another person. And last, when this work is done, all creating relationship joining, I'll be give to another person. One team work. Second team work. What the second team will do, right? There's a one more team sitting in Hyderabad. There are 2 development teams in Hyderabad. One is Rupam's team, another is some, let's say Amir's team. What Amir team is doing? Meantime, Amit team is not sitting quiet. They are also working on the same project. What they are building the bid registration form. They are building the bid registration form. Bid registration, bid reg. Right? In this bid reg, the information has to come from here. Right? In the bid reg, what order number against which? So where is the order? Order is where it was created here. By Rupam's team, the whole solution was created. Here, the distributor or the partner raised an order. Right? Order was raised. Order number is there. That order number should come here. This bid is against which order number? Order number which I raised last month, 1001. On that, I have a product called as, right, 24-inch monitor. This is the part number. This is the quantity. This is the price at which I purchased. Complete. Who is the end customer? It has to come from this table, customer table. All those information. That means here, source of information will move from team 1. Whatever the work was done by team 1, team 1 information will move. Rupam, without a team 1 information, how can they start the work? Yes, you're correct. But bid registration has, other than team information, there are a lot of other information. Like what? Source. From where did you come to know the bid? From paper, newspaper? Is it coming from team 1? Is it coming from customer, product, neighbor? No, these are individual field here. They will start doing it. Registration form. Once the registration button is clicked, right? Once this registration button is clicked, I want the data to be copied in another object. Another object, the data has to be copied. This is what the team 2 is building. Data will be copied to another object called as what? Right? Bid request. Bid REQ. Bid request. Bid registration, bid request. Actually, this is bid request, that is bid registration. I made opposite. Right? 1. Let me fix it. Bid request. Bid registration. Forget about internal, external at this moment. Automatically, you have to write a class. Here, the data transfer is not through a relationship, through a Apex class. Apex class and trigger. On right, insert, on insert, you have to write a trigger, which will automatically create. Here, it will generate another ID. It will generate additional information. Bid registration. That is what there in the page. Here, there's approval metrics and everything happens here. Approval metrics and everything. Approval is here. APPROVL approval. APPROVL approval. Right? The information is, team 1 information is coming to bid request. From bid request, all the information, who is the bid, who is the customer, who is the distributor, what is the distributor information, who is the contact point from distributor, that is coming from team 1. They are developing it. Right? Complete information is available in the order. As soon as they type the order number, right, the order related information is put. Right? Immediately, this order was ordered by whom? I know who ordered it. Ravi Technology ordered it. So automatic system will put Ravi Technology in this. Second, team 2 work. This is team 2 work. Right? It will pull all the details. Once it's approved, message will be sent. Integration. You have to do integration programming. After approval is done, I have to send an alert to whom? To the distributor. Distributor email coming from where? From the here in the distributor table. Email and phone number is there. Partner table. I don't want to send email to, Ravitech has 20 people. Will you send email to 20? No. Whoever has ordered that, or whoever is registering this bid registration, ordered might be done by Rupam, but the bid registration was done by, let's say that Dinesh, right? Dinesh has to be there in this partner contacts. That means Rupam, right? Amir, Dinesh has to be there. Order was raised by Amir, let's say. Amir raised the order. After 1 month, Dinesh came back and registered a bid. Who is Dinesh? Dinesh is nothing but from the partner. I'm going up and down. He's partner. He is employee of Ravitech. Dinesh is employee of Ravitech, Amir is employee of Ravitech, Rupam is employee of Ravitech. Let's take an example. Order was created by Amir, employee of Ravitech. As soon as you come to the second and you enter the order number here, order number, as soon as immediately system should be able to pull the information. Ordered by Amir on this date, ordered quantity is this, product is this, it should pull. Next, bid, then there's another section, bid request information. What is the bid? What is the title? Who is the end customer? End customer again has to come from, right, from the customer table, which we created here. From here, the data will go outside. I'm giving an arrow. And the data will come like this. Oops, sorry. And the data will come like this. From here, outside. Data will come. So that is what I explained you last time. Similarly, there's one more team in Bangalore. They are also on the same project. They are also on the same project. Third paint I'm opening. What they are developing? They are developing the logging screen. They are developing the login screen. They are developing about us page. They are developing the help page. Team in Bangalore. Team 3, login page. Distri login page, partner login page. Login page. Right? Here. Right? Help page. Right? Help page. Next, about us page. Us page. Similarly, there's one more team who is creating reportings on it. Dashboards, reports. Distributor dashboard, distributor reports. ABC dashboard, ABC reports. Multiple teams are working, guys, to sail this project out. Multiple developments are going on. That is the reason that my document is scattered, because when it comes to my team, I'll get this document. When it comes to the team 2, they got this document. When it comes to Bangalore team, they have another document. Now they see that 3 documents I have to combine together to give you the project. That is in the project you can see the up and down. In the project I gave you, the login is on the top, because these are individual work. You can start from anywhere. You could be part of Bangalore team developing the login page. You could be part of Hyderabad team 2 developing the bid request page. You could be part of my team, Rupam's team, developing this whole. Finally, there will be one more team which will be connecting all these dots. This is how the real-time project goes on, and that is the reason it's complex to give you a real-time project, because I have to do a lot of hard work to connect multiple documents together. I have to go and ask them, Ray, give me your documents. Right? By looking at it, I have to connect it. This team doesn't even know what the Bangalore team is doing. There's something called login page, they don't even know. Once finally the software is ready, when the demo will happen, then they will say first page login. Who did this? Manamaithe cheyaledu kada. Right? Then as soon as you click on sign in, immediately distributor registration. When you click, this page will load. This is what we created. This is how the real-time project. Every team will have their individual documentations, right? And there'll be one master doc. From the master doc, statement of works will be created. If you remember those project classes I was telling you, PVD, BRD, business requirement document, project vision document, SOW. Why so many documents? This is the reason. Right? Each team will get statement of work. So Rupam, this is your next 1 month statement of work. I will go ahead and I'll divide this into multiple people in my team, right? Who will do what? Able to catch the whole flow now? Yes. Right? Yes or no? Others?
Yes, sir.
Yes,
So
sir. Can you repeat the last box?
Tell me.
Customer product price book.
Yes, sir.
I didn't got it. Can you repeat that again?
Hello?
Yeah, tell me.
Yeah, could you explain the once again, customer product and price book?
Let's see. Customer is nothing but who is the customer? Customer, I told you, CMR Education College, ICICI Bank is a customer, right? There is a small charitable institution is a customer, right? Anybody buying the laptop in the market, there are so many. A shop is buying a laptop. That shop is a customer. He is buying one laptop, but from whom? He is buying from, right? Ravitech. Ravitech is the partner who is giving ABC laptop or desktop to the customer, right? In Ravitech, there are so many employees, right? Amir, as I told you, Dinesh, Harini, Josna, they are all different position. They are catching the customer and selling the laptop. So who will raise the order? These people, partners, contacts will raise the order, and the customer information against whom they are raising the order has to come. Same way, what customer wants to buy the product has to come from product information table, right? Right, let's say that a product called laptop, right? Smart laptop 200 series, i3 processor, right? 4 GB memory, 1 TB hard drive, 14.3 inch screen. This is the product. You'll give a name. So in the order, this product, automatically the price. Currently, price is not there in the product. If you're using the product of default Salesforce, then you have to bring product and price book. If you create no Rupam, I want to create my own. If you are making custom, create a one more table called as product. Custom table. Then you don't need a price book. In that table only product name, product family, product code, right? Quantity available in stock, cost, unit price, right? Right? Manufacturing cost, 18,000, right? MRP list price, 49,000. On the box, 49,000 is printed. By manufacturing cost is only 18,000. I'll maintain all the information about the product, so that when somebody is ordering
Product, both are blocks, sir.
both are
Can you mention blocks? I mean, hello.
yeah, go ahead.
In order form,
Mention.
customer and product both are inbuilt to order form, or is it separate?
They are separate. No, all the boxes are separate. There is nothing. Information has to flow,
Okay.
right? Whenever I'm ordering, what product I'm ordering, where the product, there are 1,000 products that will be stored in a product table. Who is ordering? There are 1,000 customers. Each shop is one customer for me. Each school, college are customer for me, right? So that's what all this information order has to be raised, right? With me,
Yes, sir.
right? With me,
Got it.
right? You might be thinking, hey Rupam, there could be this could come in your brain. Why this order in our system? This order should be in the partner system. No, in the CloudTrail should have an order. No, these are called B2B orders. B2B orders, business to business orders. What is that B2B order? Right? Ravi Technology doesn't have a stock. Nothing. He doesn't have a single system at his office. CloudTrail doesn't have a single laptop in their stock, but they are selling laptop to customer. Where is the laptop? Is it, if this customer, let's say that the customer name is, right? What is that? Customer name is Surya Global School. Surya Global School wants 10 laptops. Surya Global School want 10 laptops, right? Right. Amar from Ravi Technology is pitching the sales. He's negotiating with the customer. He's right. Where does he have a stock? No, he doesn't have a stock. He finalized the price and he says that you have to give us 15 days, because these are custom requirement. You want a i3 processor in place, you're replacing with i5. Laptops has to be built. It's a BTO order, build to order. It's a BTO, build to order. It's a build to order product, BTO. All laptops are BTO, all desktops are BTO. BTO orders, we call them. Standard, stock. Standard is what? Which is commonly available. Directly go to the shop, take the box, come out. No. Surya Global School doesn't want 2 GB memory. They want 3 GB RAM as per their requirement. In the standard configuration, I have 2 GB, 4 GB, 8 GB. I don't have something called as 3 GB RAM. So, okay, not a problem. We can give you a 3 GB RAM, but you have to give a 15 days time. We will build it for you. Does he have a 3 GB stock? No. Does Ravitech have 3 GB stock? No. Does the CloudTrail have any laptop with them with a 3 GB? No. They have a laptop with a 4 GB, 8 GB, 2468. They don't have a 3 GB RAM. Now they will immediately contact ABC. This is all happening in the ABC. They will raise an order in the ABC system. Hey, this is what the ABC employee will be raising. Hey, who's this? Hey, this is Amar calling from Ravi Technology. Okay, as in the order form, as soon as you type Amar, immediately system will say, okay, can I have your contact ID? Yes, it's 102361. As soon as you press 102661, immediately it will show Amar, sales manager, company name, Ravitech, type, partner, parent distributor, CloudTrail. It will show. Okay, Amar, what do you want? I want a product with 3 GB. In your product, there is a 3 GB. You will raise. And the product, okay, Amir, where do you want to ship the product? To CloudTrail? No. To your office? No. Send it directly to Surya. Right? ABC, who is the computer manufacturing company, will now ship the product directly to Surya. Surya will, a truck will come, 10 laptops will be unloaded from the truck. Right? 10 laptops will be unloaded to the truck. Who sold it actually? Is it ABC sold? No. Ravitech sold behalf of ABC. That is the reason this order form. Right? I told you, no, real-time projects is not that simple and not that easy to understand. It's always complex. So many things are there. That's the reason in market nobody gives a real-time project. I gave you one institute management, no? So simple. Create a institute form, and that is the difference between a dummy and a real-time project. Once you start doing a real-time project, then you understand that what exactly is a real-time. Right? These are the complexity around it. Multiple team, multiple documentation, multiple things works together. Clear, guys? Do it. Do it. Next Wednesday, last class, I will show you how to go ahead and deploy a community portal, community page. How can I deploy this for external customer? That's what I will show you in the last class. Right? In between, those who create the project and send it to me, I will share with them one more project as I promised, real-time project. Right? A property management project I will share with them. Right? Nestway, client is Nestway. I've copied right code, try to build this same. This is also real time, all of, but I try to make this more precise. Right? Custom object payments. See all labels, custom object statements, deposit, renters, rent agreement. Right? Custom object 2, custom object 3. Another project called property management. Only for people who works on the bid management, do something. This is bid management is the complex project I gave you. Property management is a medium project, medium scale, medium. Dummy project that I gave you, institute management, is basic. So Nestway, we implemented for this Nestway. It's a rental. It's famous in US. Recently they came to India. Right? Oh, it's there in India also. See, I'm in Bangalore. I'm in this. Right? Nestway. They gives you all property. You can take a house for rent, individual house, bungalows, right? Exclusive homes, right? So they give you everything, right? Property management. Only for those who sends me the work before Wednesday. Next, I will announce the name on Wednesday, whom I'm giving. Only those will get. Remaining alls, please start whooping your tail, right? In my class, I told you, if you just whoop your toka and come, I'm not going to entertain. No, I want you should work hard. People who work hard, I will give. I know that I gave you a complex project called bid management. I'm completely aware. I know that you cannot do this end to end. That's also I know it. Right? I want you to feel, because people have been telling real time, and nobody feels the real time. I want you to feel the heat of real time. Right? Where half of your brain will be gone in understanding, beating the bush every day. అసలు ఏంటిది ఇది? ఎలా ఇది? If you are able to do it so simple, then it's not a real time project, guys. Simple takes, we have been working for last 1.5 years. You can understand why the complexity is here. Whereas Ameerpet can do a real time project in 1 month. If you are able to do a real time project in 1 month, then it's not a real time project. It's a dummy project. As clear as that. Right? So, last and final chance for people who wants another project for a practice, that will be a medium complexity project. Medium complexity. Right? So I want you to show that yes, you have the guts to take the complex. I did something. I can at least survive. I can show my project manager that yes, if I'm thrown in a real-time project, I can at least deliver you something. Maybe I require little help and push. You give me the confidence, I'll give you the other project. Right? That's it from my side today. Anybody has any other questions? Yes, tell me.
సార్ యాక్చువల్లీ బిడ్ మేనేజ్మెంట్ ప్రాజెక్ట్ అంటే ఆన్లైన్ ప్రాజెక్ట్ కదా సార్. ఇది మొత్తం డీటెయిల్స్ వీఆర్ క్రియేటింగ్ బిడ్ రిజిస్ట్రేషన్ ఫామ్, బిడ్ రిక్వెస్ట్ ఇవన్నీ ఆన్లైన్ కదా సార్. సేమ్ ఇదే మనం బిడ్ రిజిస్ట్రేషన్ ఫామ్ ఉందనుకోండి సార్, సేమ్ అదే లాస్ట్ లో సిగ్నేచర్ అన్న ఫీల్డ్ యాడ్ చేసి మనం ఇది అది ఫామ్ కోడ్ ప్రిపేర్ చేయొచ్చు కదా సార్, ఆన్లైన్ కాకుండా.
Yes.
అలా కూడా చేయొచ్చు కదా సార్. అంటే ఆన్లైన్
కాకుంటే what do you mean by online కాకుంటా? I'm not able to understand. What do you mean by online?
అంటే సార్ కొంతమంది ఇప్పుడు బిడ్ వేసే వాళ్ళు డైరెక్ట్ వెళ్ళి రిజిస్టర్ చేసుకుంటారు కదా సార్.
ఎక్కడ రిజిస్టర్
ఫామ్
చేసుకుంటారు?
ఫిల్అప్ చేసి రిజిస్టర్ చేస్తారు కదా.
That
అందరూ
jamana has
ఆన్లైన్
gone. That old jamana has gone. Now every bid is e-procurement. Every bid is e-procurement. That jamana has gone, where they fill the form, they go to the office, and PWD office, there's a road contract, right? They will give everything, documentation, diagrams, and finally the physical paper they will submit to the PWD department, government of Telangana state. No, nowadays there's nothing. Everything is e-procurement, e-bidding, e-bids, all e-bids. Government of India, government Bihar, government of India, see, e-bids, right? Portal, it's a EPBDS portal. There's all these are now, everything, bidding, contracting is now online, right? Finally they will register online, they will print out, physically sign, and they will give, but they have to fill online. That's exactly what is this. Understood?
సార్ ఇంకోటి సిగ్నేచర్ అంటే టెక్స్ట్ ఫీల్డ్ ఏనా సార్? ఇప్పుడు ఐ వాంట్ టు యాడ్ సిగ్నేచర్ ఫీల్డ్.
Signature is an image field. Signature is never a text field. It's an image field. You will sign, you will scan, you will upload the signature.
అంటే ఇమేజ్ ఫీల్డ్ అంటే ఇమేజ్ ఒకటి క్రియేట్ చేసి పెట్టాలా సార్?
Upload
ఇమేజ్
చేసుకోవచ్చు. Yes. MSET లో కూడా అంతే కదా. If you have written NET, because I have written, right, NET, National Eligibility Test, they're also ante. I have to sign on a paper, take a photograph, right, scan it, and upload in my signature.
సార్ అలాగే ఇప్పుడు మీరు చెప్పిన డిస్ట్రిబ్యూటర్స్ కి ఒక ఆబ్జెక్ట్, పార్ట్నర్స్ కి ఒక ఆబ్జెక్ట్, ఇలా కస్టమర్స్ కి ఒక ఆబ్జెక్ట్ క్రియేట్ చేయమన్నారు కదా సార్. వీళ్ళందరూ లాగిన్ అయినప్పుడు ఇప్పుడు బిడ్స్ డీటెయిల్స్ రిజిస్టర్ అవుతారు కదా సార్. అప్పుడు బిడ్స్ ఎవరైతే రిజిస్టర్ అయ్యారో వాళ్ళు ఆటో నెంబర్ కింద కౌంట్ అవుతుంది కదా సార్. అది బిడ్ రిజిస్ట్రేషన్ ఫీల్డ్ లో ఇవ్వాలా, బిడ్ రిక్వెస్ట్ ఫీల్డ్ లో ఇవ్వాలా సార్? బిడ్ రిక్వెస్ట్ ఫామ్ లో ఇవ్వాలా?
Bid request form. Now forget about the login, right? Who is login, what is login, వదిలేండి. That is done by another team. Bangalore team చేస్తుందిలే, right? You do this piece first, right? Whatever the ID that is generated, where here bid request have an auto number, that auto number will have corresponding number in bid registration. Another number will be generated. The same number also will pass to the from bid request to bid registration. Bid request number is visible to external customer. Bid registration number is visible to internal, to ABC company. Here it will say 1234 bid request number. Your submission number is 1234. But inside that, when it receive, as soon as they hit the save button, immediately system should create one more record, and the number here should generate is what? The system should generate a number called as BID partner. What is the partner name? BID partner CloudTrail hyphen 3003. Separate number is getting generated. My own internal tracking number. Right? Okay.
సార్ లాస్ట్
Forget about the
బిట్స్
number.
చూసేటప్పుడు నెంబర్ ఆఫ్ బిట్స్ ఎన్ని వచ్చినాయి అన్నది ఎక్కడ డిస్ప్లే అవుతుంది?
Right, all this number of bits will be displayed on the bid request page. Whatever he has submitted, here you have to put a section, and you have to go by what? By the ID. Select SOQL query. You have to put a table here, right? If CloudTrail has logged in, I want to see all the bids submitted by the CloudTrail, or if whoever has logged in, only his request has to be seen, right? Only his request has to be seen, right? Here it is. Registration ID 1001, right? Reg ID, bid reg ID, bid request ID, bid BID, bid REQID, bid request ID. I have submitted 10, right? So it should show 101 submitted date, this date, amount this, title this. It should show a table here, right? It shouldn't show everybody's record, right? Because, right, Ravitech, if MNO solution logs in, then in that case, in his screen, he should be able to see only two submission. And here it should show status. Status is what? Submitted. SUB. If you reject here, then the status has to go here, rejected. This should show what? Rejected. REG. REJECT, rejected. That means they submitted, you rejected. So this should be visible there. How can I populate this? Using a class. In this page, controller, extension controller you have to use. Class, in the class there should be method. In the method, select bid request ID, created date, status, name, amount from bid request form, where ID equals to this ID. If you remember that, automatically account ID is taken, right? Whenever I was doing a Visualforce page program, you see that on the top address bar I had to say question mark ID equals to. But when you deploy it, automatically system takes the ID. So automatically system will take whoever is logged in, his ID, and only his request will be displayed here. Now it's clear? Now it's clear?
Yes, sir.
So lot of work, guys. It's not that simple.
సార్ బిడ్ రిక్వెస్ట్ బిడ్ రిజిస్ట్రేషన్ ఇంచు సేమ్ ఫీల్డ్స్ ఉన్నాయి, ఓకేనా సార్?
Same fields plus additional. This is internal. Bid reg is internal. Approval will run here. Approval will not run here. People, right? This is external. External will not be able to see who is approving, right? I don't want this page is visible to whom? To, right? To whoever has logged in, Ravi Technology or MNSO. MNSO should not be able to see who is approving. They should be able to see final status called approved. All this approval, that is the reason we are copying the data for our internal use, and then we are submitting the approval metrics. After approved, we are passing the status back to the other object. Why are we copying the same information again? The reason is that there are some internal things we will do which we don't want them to access. We don't want to see them. My finance controller, right? Let's say that Madhuri is my finance controller. I don't want to disclose my name. Otherwise, they'll be able to see waiting Madhuri's approval. They might call Madhuri, hey Madhuri, I don't want, no. They shouldn't influence the deal. Internal. That is the reason we are copying the data from bid request to bid reg. Why are we copying the same data again here? The views are different. Here there's no table. Here there's a table because they have a single page. Here, no table. I'll get a list of the way you see accounts, contacts, a grid. double click on it, approve it. As soon as they fill the form, it should come here. I click on BidReg, I should be able to double click on it. I'll click on submit, right? You can put an auto submission. You can write an workflow here. After writing workflow, WORKF, anything which is less than 10,000, directly submit, no review. So any bid request they submit with 10,000 and below, automatically system will create a BidReg. BidReg will be automatically submitted for approval. For that, you have to create an approval matrix first. Clear? Now understood?
Sir.
Yes. At least
Sir,
bits and pieces.
సిగ్నేచర్ ఇమేజ్ అన్నారు కదా సార్, దానికి డేటా టైప్ ఏం తీసుకోవాలి సార్?
Data type, if you are taking a signature, then there is nothing called data type. Data type is called blob.
టెక్స్ట్
So for
బాక్స్ తీసుకోవాలి కదా సార్?
you cannot. You have to use Apex input file. Apex input file.
ఓకే సార్.
Right? Anything
Okay,
else,
sir.
guys?
Sir, can you go to line number, word?
Tell me.
Page number 5.
Page number 5. I'm in 5. Yep.
Yeah, this. Sir, here public dealer list or public list of dealer __C.
Public
Second.
dealer list __C. What's the problem? Right only, no?
List of dealer. Right.
Where public dealer, right? Try one by one dealer. I'm not taking list of dealer at a time, right? So go ahead, check it out. There could be some differences here and there. You use your brain, right? Don't just go by this program I gave you for reference. Actually, I shouldn't be giving you a program. I should give you only the screens, and you should be able to do it, right? That's it for my side, guys. Right? Let's meet again next week. Same link, it'll work. Right? Put right OF91 in your subject line. A lot of batch going on now. I've started a new batch, 5 p.m. Indian Standard Time. If you have any of your friends who'd like to join, please refer. 5 p.m. Indian Standard Time. Right? So there's a lot of batch, so please put your IDs there. Batch OF91. That's it. Thank you. That is the reason, real-time projects confusion, right? So those who are not able to do it, please do the dummy project. I gave you that institute management, do that, right? At least do one. If not that, this dummy one. That's also project. Though because I told you dummy, you are not respecting that project. If I have not told you dummy, you would have respected that project a lot. Project. Because I declared a word called dummy, nobody is caring that project, right? But do it. Do the institute management also. You will get a practice, right? That's it from my side. Thank you, guys. Have a nice and wonderful day. Bye-bye, guys. Take care.
Sir.